Now I'm gonna give a quick overview of the website builder. So with this tool, anyone can build a website within a couple of hours. The first section is the navigation. This is where you um, create the structure of the navigation or the menu on top of the website. Next, we have the home page. In this section, this is where you're gonna create your home page and the different sections of the home page. Then we have the content pages. There are already a couple of them pre-built. You can use any of this, or you can create your own. Then we have the team page. This is where you're gonna add your team members with their own pictures and biography. You can also add each agent's active and sort listings. Then we have the contact page with any contact information about the agent or the broker. And then we have the property website. This is a page that you can create for a single property. You can feature any image, video, or floor plans. You can also include descriptions and any additional information that you want to add about the property. And you can also publish this as a standalone website with its own domain. And then the complementary tools, which are on the lead generation section of IDX Boost. The first one is the Boost engagement tool. In this page, you're going to be able to create an ad just like this one that you're going to be adding to your filter pages. You can promote your brand, any services that you provide, or exclusive listing, a property that you can feature in this part. Then we have the custom forms. There are already a couple of them pre-built. You can use any of these forms, or you can create your own. And lastly, we have the landing pages. You can use them for these landing pages for your marketing campaigns or any marketing strategy that you already have. You can use any of these landing pages, or you can create your own.